talk to me.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining us, and I'm really sorry guys, I went MIA, but I was dealing with some issues with my YouTube channel. But yeah, I'm back right now. Everything is sorted out and I'm happy to be back. I'm so happy. I really missed YouTube, and yeah, let's get into it. So we are going to do Marley hair crochet braids. I really got good feedback for this hairstyle, and I thought let me just post this video before I start doing many other videos and forget posting this video. So I used the Afro Twist Marley braid from Natural Hair Kenya, so you guys can get this braid from Natural Hair Kenya. They are the plug guys, trust me. Yeah, they just have amazing crochet braids. So you guys can see my cornrows are quite different from every other crochet braid, from every other crochet styles I do. So I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do these cornrows also, and explain why I prefer these cornrows. More so just because I wanted my my crochet braids to look very natural. That's why I had the cornrows at the back go from the left to right or right to left, so that I could have a very natural look. You are going to see later on what I mean by this. So if you want to have a natural look all around your hair, make sure you crochet the braids on the cornrows at the back so that you can have a natural look. Then keep on doing it like I am, from the back towards the front. So guys, I hope you are going to enjoy this video, because I really enjoyed filming this video, and it really got some good feedback on IG. Some people are asking a lot of questions, and I'm going to be answering all these questions I was asked on IG about this hairstyle. Some of them on this video, and some on another video I'm going to create on this style also. So yeah, you can see how the back looks because I contour the back from left to right. It really looks natural. You can actually do your updo styles without feeling like your hair at the back is being seen. So another tip on how to do your crochet braids is make sure you pass your crochet needle through your cornrow, not under. This applies also to the crochet braid. It should pass through your cornrow, not under your cornrow, to avoid pain. Also, some braids are normally itchy after doing your crochet braids. That is because your braid is in direct contact with your skin, and crocheting it through your braid, I think, also helps with the itchiness you get after doing your braids. So I think this is one advantage of crocheting your braid through your cornrow, and also it's not going to be really tight. For those who do tight cornrows aren't nice for your hair or your hairline, because it's going to pull it back, and yeah, it's not a protective style if it's a tight cornrow. So yeah, make sure you pull your braid through your cornrow. Yeah, that is another tip for you guys. On the crown area. And another thing I want to tell you guys, some mistakes people do while doing crochet braids is at the crown people put so many braids. Yes, the crown is really sensitive, and you have to be really careful with how you distribute your crochet braids around your crown. So most people tend to say that the more braids you put on top, the more fuller it's going to look, and it's going to look more natural, which is a lie. It's going to look puffy and weird. And I think most people who do this, who do the Marley braid crochet hairstyle, tend to have the same issue. The middle part, the crown area, is normally puffy, which does not really make sense. So the trick is, as you get to the crown or to the center, make sure your braids are thinner compared to the braids you are doing at the back. The back does not need as much hair as the front, and also the back you can like put half of this Marley braid strand at the back and space it, then put another one, then space it. But at the front you really have to put small braids, and they have to be close together so that it can look natural, like you can see. So make sure your strands are thin, then crochet through your cornrow as you can see I'm doing. So at the front I was doing the invisible method on the front so that it make it look more natural. So we are almost finishing this hairstyle, and I'm so happy with how it came out. Like, people loved this hairstyle and I loved it, and I think I'm going to be trying it again as I talk to you guys and tell you guys the pros and cons for this hairstyle. So don't forget to like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Like, thank you so much for the support, guys. I'm back, and I'm better. Yes, so we're gonna do this. So expect more videos this week, next week, and yeah, for all the months to come and years to come. So expect more better videos. And yeah, this is another trick, guys, before I forget. If you want it to look more natural, make sure you back comb your crochet braids at the front. At the front, not all the crochet braids. Just comb the front for it to look natural, and you guys can see the difference after backcombing. Backcombing makes it look more natural. So everyone was asking, how come this looks like your hair? Yeah, it's because I was backcombing, girl. This time my hair isn't this long. But yeah, guys, I hope it was helpful. Till our next video. Mwah.